Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it with, first off, today's date. We are October 4th, just at the close of New York. If we just take a quick look at micro oil, we opened gap up. And first and foremost, today's markets were pretty choppy, but then they're also one-sided for the most part. So we had that move up. Just consolidated, it came back down, and then we shot up, made some new contract highs. You can already see that's reflected on our charts right now. And then you can see we came back down, and this was the prior contract high right here, this whole line that was going through it. The auto loader that we have on the Ninja charts right now is automatically changing those values for us as the day has closed. But with that said, from that contract high, there was a handful of opportunities there. If you are interested in seeing those trades from the students that they chose to take, and we don't call trades out, we teach people how to trade futures with our methodology, and then they execute according to what they find qualified or disqualified. So they wouldn't execute if it was disqualified, I should say. But go check those out. Those are Pat's win-loss break-even videos that he does there for you. Moving on to gold. Gold opened well above the close or from yesterday and just kept going well above the contract high as well, and just kept grinding up, making new contract high and a large gap between prior days. With that said, oil and gold are finishing net positive for the day, as well as our equities. If we take a look at oil, or sorry, not oil, but the ES here, we opened huge gap up as well from yesterday's range. You can see this was the high from yesterday. Close was pretty close to it as well, and they just refused to come down. They had that run up, had participation at these HVAs several times, came down, hit support, and then just meandered through, and then finally making some new highs just at that close yet again for us here. Similar story in the micro Nasdaq, a little bit more choppy, I would say, a little bit more sorry, not choppy, but a little bit more ebb and flow than the ES. But again, we had opened up well above that range from yesterday, straight up for most part, had participation at these levels, sideways consolidation, came back down, hit support. They got lower in the Nasdaq than they did in the ES, so it was a battle. It was curious to see if they were going to flip who was in charge for the day, but they never did, and those buyers rallied again, hitting these edges yet again, and once more making a run for those highs. But the Nasdaq, unlike the ES, did not make new highs. The Nasdaq fell short of it just at the close there. Again, these levels, these HVA levels, are given out to our students the night before for their next day's trading endeavor, meaning students will have the opportunity to put them on their charts this evening, to trade tonight, tomorrow morning, and during the pit. And they do not change. These levels do not change. I repeat, they do not change. So they are static. We don't draw intraday levels. These are called out the night before. If you want proof, well, the proof is in the pudding. Go watch the win-loss break-even videos from our student submissions. So these are our students executing based off of our methodology, off of our levels that we call out the night before. You just won't see that anywhere else in any other trading education company. If you are interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either location, and they'll gladly be able to show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.